Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today in this video I am going to tell you about Printful Incorporation website, incorporation company through which you can create your custom made designs for the shirts, and then you can sell it on your Shopify store, or you can do this e-commerce with these products. So let's get into it. First of all, you will need to go to the Printful website, and here you can create amazing designs with custom print on demand and drop shipping purposes. So I will just click on the website and you will get this kind of interface. You can see there are two options: start selling and or order for myself. So we will go with the start selling, and I will click on the get started. Here you will connect your Google account or you will create your account, and after that you will be given free access to the all feature of the Printful, and then you can create your own custom designs for your shirts, and then you can sell it on the Shopify by connecting your store with this website, and all the products will automatically be redirected or shifted to your Shopify store. Okay, so after that you can do these settings, and after that you will just click on the sign up button after giving these details in this section. Okay, so it's optional. I'm going for the sign up button. So here you will give some information like sell online. Okay, you will give all this information, then your account will be created finally. So let's do some random things here because I'm going to show you how this works. So after these simple steps, we will get our dashboard. Here you can connect your or design your product. So I will go for the design product. Click on start, and here you will select the product. Let's say we want this one, and it's preparing for the design. Here you will add your own custom design on the shirt or this product. Here you will add your drop design. Here you can create your custom design with the help of the AI. Then you will upload the photo here and it will automatically show it here, and then you can post it for the sell, online sell. So that's how you can create custom design on the Printful and then connect your store for selling to the Shopify and use it for e-commerce purposes. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.